My name is Kamlesh Singh Balla and today's topic is public speaking. The fear of public speaking is called glossophobia. And a survey was organized and in which it was found out that most people on this planet would rather like to die than to speak on a stage. And most of you who are watching this video have a doubt that they are not a good speaker like the great speaker on this planet. So let me tell you this, most enthusiastic and most exceptional speaker on this planet was not once a good speaker. So how they became good speakers? They took an initiative. They faced their fear. They put efforts in the public speaking, and that is how they became good speaker. So here are 3 tips that I wanted to share with you. That is how you can overcome your public speaking, the fear of public speaking. So my first tip is take an initiative. I have heard a saying which says that you can take the horse where the grass is, or you can take the grass where the horse is, but you cannot make that horse to eat that grass. So first take an initiative, go onto the stage. Face your fear. You will make mistakes. It is inevitable. You will make mistakes. You will fumble, but that is the only way you can rise, or that is the only way you can overcome your fear of public speaking, by going onto the stage, by fumbling, by facing that fear. That is how you can overcome your fear. And the second tip that I wanted to share with you is record your speeches. Without recording your speeches, you will not be able to understand you will not be able to figure out where you are making mistakes, and without figuring out where you are making mistakes, you will not be able to learn from your mistakes, and when you will not learn from your mistakes, then you will not be able to grow. So to grow yourself, record your speeches wherever you go. On a small occasion, give your mobile phone to someone to record your speech. Then watch that speech, that where I'm making mistakes, what is my body language, what is my eye contact, where I am fumbling, and that is the only way you can learn, and that is the only way you can overcome the fear of public speaking. And here is a third tips that I wanted to share you is be confident. In the field of public speaking, the only thing which is required is your confidence. Without confidence, you will not be able to impact your audience the way you really want. You will not be able to create that, you will not be able to grab the attention of your audience unless you are, until you are not confident. So be confident, be bold while you speak, and be very confident. And whatever the information, little bit of information that express very boldly, very confidently in front of your audience, and be confident. So these were the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you that might help you, and they worked for me as well. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.